Red is a powerful, passionate colour, and sometimes it's difficult to know where to put it in the garden. I'm creating a red border for my husband because he loves the colour. As the colours of the red flowers fade, they can go towards orange or they can go towards pink. And for me, I prefer them to fade towards pink. But before you plant any, think of what you like the best and choose the ones that suit you. My choice of spring flower would be Red Impression's Tulip. It has a lovely satin cone, bright red flower bud. Then as it opens up, the red changes to slightly darker against the contrasting black centre. It has coped with the wind and rain that the Welsh weather can throw at it here, and it flowers for about a month. It's a glorious, glorious start to the spring. Living by the coast, I see sea thrift in its natural environment, and I wanted it in my garden. So I've gone for a red variety, which is called Ballerina Red. And it's a beautiful compact evergreen plant, and it sends up little spires of strong stems with pom-pom heads, and they flower for quite some time if you keep dead heading. They are not big, so if you need quite a few of them, you can grow them from seed. And they need to be towards the front of the border because they're not that tall, about 12 inches tall, 20 centimetres. But they really are a delightful addition to the spring garden. A salvia is a great addition to the garden, and Jezebel has a wonderful red colour. It's got aromatic leaves and it will grow to about 1 metre tall. And the delicate little flowers that go up the stem are really delightful. It flowers from spring until autumn. It really is a good value for money plant. And it's only evergreen if it doesn't get got by the frosts. So if you live in a particularly cold area, you might not be so lucky. I love unusual alliums, and you can't get more unusual than Red Mohican. It's a lovely claret colour and it has white and yellow anthers, which makes it look a bit punk rocky with its haircut. It really is unusual. It grows to about 1 metre and flowers in about June for about 6 weeks. It adds that point of interest to the garden, and nobody can ever not look at it and make a comment. It never fails to be a real talking point. Rudbeckia's common name is Black-Eyed Susan, and as my name is Susan, I'm totally attracted and must have it in my garden. But this year I found a red variety, Rudbeckia Cherry Brandy. It's very easy to grow from seed, and it's going to look very good planted en masse. It grows to about 50 centimetres tall. It's a classic Indian summer plant with its big daisy flowers, and if you're lucky, it may last you and flower again next year. If you like this video, click like and subscribe to get more really good tips from Gardener's World magazine.